Vale.
Ahora, por favor, silencio, que empezamos.
Hi, we are Diego, Hugo, and Borja, and we are going to talk about the water cycle. Observation. We want to do this experiment about the water cycle because we want to know the clouds form and why raining fall. We need a big transparent bowl, another smaller, some pieces of ice, hot water, film paper, and salt. The method to do this experiment is first put the hot water into this big bowl. It will make as the ocean. Second, put the smaller bowl inside. It will be as the earth. Third, completely cover the bowl with the film paper. And fourth, put some ice pieces on the film paper. That will be a very cold atmosphere. And finally, wait a few minutes to the water to rise into the small bowl. Now we are going to Now we put the salt.
More.
And cover with the film paper. And now the ice pieces. Hypothesis. We think that the hot water from the big bowl will evaporate and form a kind of cloud on the film paper. And after a while time, due to temperature below of ice, it condenses. Drops of water will fall in the small bowl. Variables. If the water is not hot, this process cannot be performed because water needs heat to change from the liquid state to the gaseous state. Now we are going to talk about the different parts of the water cycle. First, evaporation. The water evaporates on the surface. Second, condensation. The water in the form of vapor rises and condenses, forming clouds that are constituted by tiny drops of water. Third, precipitation. It occurs when water drops that form clouds fall to earth because they are very heavy. Fourth, infiltration. The infiltration occurs when the water penetrates into the earth. The percentage of the water infiltrating depends on the permeability of the substrate, the solid, and the vegetation. Fifth, runoff. The water runs along on the surface of the ground. Runoff is the main geological erosion and sediment transport agent. And now we are waiting a few minutes to do the experiment and then we finish. The conclusion is that the experiment, the water cycle is produced by the different temperatures, and in our experiment we can see three parts: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. And that's all. I hope you like it and see you in our next class project.
Bueno, ¿qué os ha parecido?
Muy bien.
Bien, Jenny.